Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to input a load that has multiple stops. And it's just like putting on a load that doesn't have any additional stops. All you're going to do is reveal the hidden fields at the bottom of the form, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I think it's really cool that we have this calendar view of our loads app, and it makes it so much easier to dispatch loads. So I knew when booking this load that we had a delivery at 8:30. So a 1 p.m. appointment, we should be able to make that. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take note of the load number because you're going to need that when you add the load. So this load number is 2085693. It does in fact have additional stops, and the driver is going to be getting empty in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Okay, so now once we have those three fields completed, we're going to save the load. And now we're going to add our origin shipping facility, which is First Choice Freezers in Vineland, New Jersey. So we're going to search here just to see if we've been to that facility before, which we haven't. So we'll go First Choice Freezers. Go ahead and copy that. That is our shipping facility. And let's see if we can pull up the address. 396 North Mill Road. It's right there. Do a quick Google search to find the phone number. There we go. So North Mill Road. Copy that phone number. And we'll plug that in here. So now we have contact information for the shipper. The appointment is for Friday at 1 p.m. So you see it's going to give us our deadhead mileage. Now we're going to add the PO numbers, and we got a lot here. So what I'll do, since we have so many PO numbers, I don't want to take up too much time. I'll add the PO numbers after the fact. So this is the point of the video, is to show you how to reveal the fields for your extra stops. So if you go to the very bottom of your form, it's going to say show hidden fields. So you're going to click the little notepad there. When you scroll back up, you see that it reveals fields for any extra stops and also those POs. So we know we just have one extra stop, and that's going to be at GFI Atlanta in Decatur, Georgia. So our extra stop one facility is going to be GFI. We haven't been there before. So GFI Atlanta. And it's like /Denver. Let's see if that pulls up. That's going to be a receiving facility. It doesn't pull up, so we're going to grab the address, 3370 Panthersville Road. 3370 Panthersville Road. There we have it. And now in order to get the phone number and to also get like a standardized company name, plug it in like that. And usually it should come up with, I guess that's just the way this facility is a little different. Try it like that. So GFI, Gourmet Foods International, that makes sense. We'll copy the phone number and plug that in there. And I'll put this in here just so the driver doesn't get confused, so he knows exactly what GFI stands for. So we'll save that. So now we just added extra stop number 1, which is going to be delivering on Monday at 5 a.m. So that's the 16th at 5 a.m. So now it should give us the distance and mileage between the origin shipping facility and that first stop. So while we're waiting for that to populate, we'll go ahead and scroll down to our destination receiving facility. There we have pick up the stop 1 mileage. So now we'll go ahead and add in our delivery, our final destination, which is Cisco in Atlanta. So we'll search here. If we've been there, haven't been to the Atlanta location yet. Cisco, Atlanta. Copy that. Receiving. Add the location, see if the address populates. No, 4461 Wickersham. 4461 Wickersham. I think that's what it was. Wickersham Drive, Atlanta. There we have it. And then we'll do the same thing that we did with GFI. Is we'll plug in the address. Facility comes up, Cisco Atlanta. We have the phone number, just in case. And what you're doing is you're building out your database of shippers and receivers. So that's always a good thing. And this appointment is also for Monday, but it's at 10 a.m. Okay. So then we'll keep working down. This is a refrigerated load. The commodity is frozen foods at -10. -10, I believe it's 35,000 pounds. Like that. We'll get the weather forecast for our origin and our destination. So we're getting the weather forecast for Vineland, New Jersey. And then everything else is just like how we did it in the dispatch and load for a 1-on-1. So see, everything is starting to update. So booked, we have our total miles. So now we just need to go back in and add those pickup numbers, which will reveal the fields to do that. All right, our brokerage company, which is Chop Tank, who we worked with before. Our broker contact is Sierra Thomas, who we have also worked with before. We have our accounting, and we have our dispatch. The load is paying $24.50. We'll add the driver to the load, and we'll add the load to the week. I'll go back in and refresh. And now we have all the information we need. The driver page should be updating here in a second. And now we have the completed form for a load that has extra stops. See, driver page is updated. So driver pay is $735. So you can either do it manually or you can allow the system to do it for you. And that is how you put a load in with extra stops. Thanks for watching.